Welcome to the 140th episode of Lalita Divya Rahasya Sahasranama Stotra. Saturation is the key for blissful life. So let us see one more example. Lorian Warren, a paranormal investigator and author of prominent cases of hauntings. She is also founder of New England Society for Psychic Research. She is supposed to have the quality of clairvoyance or extrasensory perception, an ability to see things beyond normal range. So she has applied this technique, this extra ability, extra talent that she possessed towards the psychic research, the hauntings, finding the investigations on hauntings, etc. She lived more than 90 years and then she died while sleeping. So all these four examples, Florence Nightingale, Madame Tussaud, Maharshi Mahesh Yogi, Lorian Warren, all of them have lived more than 90 years. All of them have died while they are sleeping. Their soul departed while they are sleeping. That's the most natural form of death, and the most sought after. Perhaps anybody wants to leave their body, I think that's the most sought after death. So it's an indication of how well they are saturated. So let us move on. Next nama is Kshetra Patini, the transformed energy form of Vishnumaya Vilasini, confining to the temple premises or the hill where Kshetra is located. What does Kshetra mean? Presence of unlimited cosmic energy in a limited premises, that is called Kshetra. Vishnumaya Vilasini is the energy form that erases the illusion effects and assists soul energy to reunite with Rudra at the time of death, as already mentioned in Vishnumaya and Vilasini. Naturally formed deity getting energy filled in yoga mudra or posture is through Vishnumaya Vilasini. After filling the energy in a particular posture or yoga mudra through Vishnumaya Vilasini, the energy posture of deity is transformed as Kshetra Patini. There are many examples to illustrate this concept. Pilgrims, after visiting divine shrines, sacred places, and famous temples, get enlightenment, or they experience out of body, or they go through out of body experiences, or in some cases their Kundalini energy gets activated. Thalapaka Annamacharya, famously known as Padakavita Pitamaha, after visiting Tirumala's hills, Tirumala's shrine, through the energy form of the guardian of Tirumala hills, the guardian of Tirumala hills is Varahaswami. So through that energy form, Annamaya got enlightenment. Subsequently, he writes this Kirtana. Ippuditu kalaganti నెల్లలోకములకు నప్పడగు తిరువేంకటాద్రీసు గంటి కలగంటి కలగంటి ఇప్పుడిటు కలగంటి అతిశయంబైన శేషాద్రి శిఖరము గంటి ప్రతిలేని గోపుర ప్రభలు గంటి శతకోటి సూర్య తేజముల వెలుగగ గంటి చతురాశుబొడగంటి డయ్యన మేలు కంటి కలగంటి కలగంటి ఇప్పుడిటు కలగంటి కనకరత్న కవాట కాంతులిరుగడగంటి ఘనమైన దీప సంఘములు గంటి అనుపమ మణిమయమగు కిరీటము గంటి కనకాంబరము గంటి గక్కున మేలు కంటి కలగంటి కలగంటి ఇప్పుడిటు కలగంటి అరుదైన శంఖచక్రాదులిరుగడగంటి సరిలేని అభయహస్తము గంటిని తిరువెంకటాచలాధీపుని చూడగంటి హరిగంటి గురుగంటి నంతట మేలుకంటి కలగంటి కలగంటి ఇప్పుడిటు కలగంటి కలగంటి కలగంటి. In this Kirtana, Annamaya describes what he had witnessed in his dream, the things he saw, the places he visited, etc. There are seven types of bodies. These are physical body, etheric body, astral body, mental body, spiritual body, and cosmic body. Cosmic body and nirvanic body. Depending on the intensity of the sleep, the nourishment and the sleep, and the extent of soul connection, during the sleep, these bodies come into limelight. For example, using cosmic body, it is possible to travel across the universe, while physical body is still resting. And the experiences of these various bodies are registered in the logbook of physical body. Similar thing would have happened to Annamaya. This was made possible because of the concentrated hidden energy present at Tirumala that wiped away the illusion effect of Annamaya. The Vishnumaya was being shattered by the energy force of custodian of Tirumala hills, and hence Annamaya got enlightenment, and he would have composed this Kirtana. Jaggi Vasudev, famously known as Sadguru, also went through a similar experience while walking up Chamundi Hills in Mysore. In Bhagavad Gita, idam sariram vasudhe kshetramithyavidhiyate etadyo vetitam prahu kshetragna iti tadvida kshetragna chapimam vidhi sarvakshetresu bharata. In Linga Purana, chaturvinsati tattvani kshetra sabdena suraya ahu kshetragna sabdena bhoktaram purusham thada. In Vayu Purana, avyaktam kshetram uddishtam brahma kshetragna uchyate. In Manusmruti, yosyatmana karayitatam kshetragnam prachakshate yaya karoti tu karmani sabhutatmochyate budhai jivasangno datatmanya sahaja सर्वदेहिनां येन वेदयते सर्वं सुखदुःखं च जन्मसु तावुभे भूत संपृक्तौ महान् क्षेत्रज्ञ एव च उच्चावणेषु भूतेषु स्थितं तं व्याप्य तिष्ठता असंख्यमूर्तयस्तस्य निपत्तनि शरीरत उच्चवा उच्चवचानि भूतानि सततं चेष्टयन्त्या. With this Nama, this sloka is completed. Kshetra Swarupa Kshetresi Kshetra Kshetra Patini. What does it mean? Kshetra Swarupa is faculty of personality, Kshetresi as faculty of intellect, Kshetra Kshetra Patini as faculty of discretion. In the case of Annamaya, Kshetra Swarupa was Annamaya personality, Kshetresi was Annamaya intellect, and Kshetra Kshetra Patini Annamaya discretion. Similarly, the consort of Venkateshwara, Alivelu Manga, transcended as Annamaya personality. Energy of Lord Venkateshwara transcended as Annamaya intellect. The energy of Tirumala custodian or protector Varahaswami transcended as Annamaya discretion. So what does Annamaya's mind will do? As per the instruction of Varahaswami's discretion, with the help of Alivelumanga's personality, Annamaya has to perform karmacharana. However, Alivelumanga was in control of Lord Venkateshwara, who has assumed the role of Annamaya's intellect. Hence, Annamaya's mind oscillates around his intellect, which is supposed to oscillate around discretion, because the discretion is in the control of intellect. Intellect is a water element and mind is air element. Hence, the churning happened in intellect of Annamaya. A cyclonic storm was created, and as a result, Annamaya made 32,000 compositions. This illustrates the hidden power of holistic places. So remaining Ramas we will explore in the next episode. Thank you.